I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and make big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fucks. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, a little slut?
YouTube, man, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on the Q50 Reggie channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little POV drive, you know, to my grandma's house. So I'm about to get y'all boys a cold start, and we about to get on the road, man, like how I usually do. Michael Jackson, no copyright, baby. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Oh man, I'm about to let this car warm up a little bit, and then we gonna get on the road, man. So y'all boys stay tuned. Alright, we on the road, man. We on the road. About to give y'all a little pull. I know the car be sounding a little extra. Damn, they got a Target cart in here. But yeah, I know the car be sounding like a little extra loud when I'm like in this area while I'm leaving my house. So I'm gonna wait for this car to come by. I'm gonna do a little pull tight. There's too much wind. Super hungry, not even gonna lie. You know, I usually stop for food, but I ain't gonna stop today. Everywhere pretty much closed, because if y'all don't know, today is Easter. It is 4/20. Happy Easter to everybody watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, because I'm about to go enjoy myself, get some nice food. You know, the family cooked, the family together right now, so I'm about to go meet up with them. I'm very late. I think they met up at like 1 o'clock. It is 3:40. I was at the house playing some Black Ops. I just recently got Black Ops 6. I know I'm late to the party, but I've been enjoying myself on Black Ops. Not even gonna lie, huh? Black Ops fun as hell. Like I said, happy Easter to each and every one of you guys. Today is gonna be a nice day. It's very hot out here, but it's gonna be a nice day. I know I might need gas later, so probably stop and get gas like later on. This person right here in front of me gonna go slow as hell. He got all that space in front of him. When the world is on your shoulders. Man. See what I'm saying? Look at all this space he got in front of him, man. He going slow. I look, you want to go to another car event. It's been a little minute. I've been working all week. The store been busy as hell because it's Easter. Or Easter week. You know, everybody want to go last minute shopping. Stuff like that. But good thing the store closed today. So we vibing. And I'm off tomorrow. I don't think they're going to have nothing tomorrow though either because it's a Monday. Man, I had to switch to the phone for a little bit. Camera got too hot. That's another flaw about the Insta360 Go 3S. It get hot too fast, like majorly fast. I don't know why. But we on the way still. I don't think it's been that long since the camera stopped, but you know, we still probably like a cool like 20 minutes out. Let me see if I can get this thing back on real quick before this light turns green. Look at that Mustang though. That blue nice. That blue is hard for real. Look at that Q right there. Little fishbowl. Alright, we back rolling. The camera had got too hot for a second, so just turn it off for like 2 minutes. Put it in front of the AC. I recorded like a little clip on the phone. Y'all gonna see that too. But yeah, we're still on the way. Maxie going crazy. Bumblecleat. I had to lock in for a second, boy. These roads out here are bumpy, and I gotta make sure my oil pan gonna be good. But it's a little mini tunnel coming up, so I'm gonna do a little pull. Do a little pull under the tunnel. Hold on. Look at it. Look, look, look. What the fuck are y'all doing? Niggas don't even wait at stop signs no more. They just be ready to just come out. What the hell? Look, Maserati. Okay. I'm ready to go eat. I'm hungry, man. I starved myself just so I could eat all the food at the crib. I mean, at my grandma's crib. All the motion ain't new to me, nigga. I've been doing this since a motherfucking youngin'. Stock shit. Little stock shit. Nigga was trying his hardest not to let me get over. Street race paranoid, you put beside me, it get ugly. I've been popping this shit since a youngin'. Clock 23 in the back of my Levi's. Oh, let me know how y'all fuck with the new setting. Not new setting, but ooh, I see a C8. Fuck all that. Fuck what I'm talking about. Fuck what I'm talking about. I see a C8 Corvette. Yeah, he going into that gas station. I need one so bad, bro. I want one so bad, man. I want one so bad. I need to get a POV in the C8. Need to get a POV in the C8 before this year over. That's the goal, man. That's definitely the goal. Oh, but like I was saying before, I was beautifully interrupted. How y'all boys like the new color setting I got on the lights? It's like a meteor, so it go through all the doors kind of like the same way. Like you sit on this door. Keep stopping, bro. The shit died again. I mean, it didn't die, but it got the little temperature warning again. But like I was saying in the last clip, how y'all like the new light setting? I got it right there. It's like a meteor, so it go through all the doors just like this, like flowing. Meteor. And the back doors too. That's tough. I like it. It's like it flow into each other a little bit. But I don't know why my shit keep getting hot, bro. It keep getting hot. I got the AC on full blast right now, and it's still getting hot. I'm not trying to record on the phone. That's why I bought the camera, man. $400, man. Let me see. Should have got down, do it again, bro. Look, bro, temperature warning. Go 3S temperature is too high. What the fuck, bro? Let me see. and it said 20%, bro. I can't get a break. First this shit about to die. I mean, first this shit is temperature warning. Now it's saying it's on 20%. Like, come on, bro. God damn, I can't get a break. Look at that slingshot. Let me at least make it to my destination first before it dies. God damn. Can't get a break, man. We'll go this way. Damn. Pothole crazy. Damn. Yo, boy, check out my old high school, man. Home of the Vikings. What are these niggas doing? I'm gonna go through this tunnel coming up too. Mini tunnel. But yeah, man, we are coming up on our destination. If y'all boys like this little quick POV drive with me, y'all boys leave a like, comment, subscribe. Happy Easter once again to everybody watching this video. At the time of this video, it is Easter, like I said earlier. So happy Easter. Y'all boys enjoy yourself. Y'all be safe. Drive safe. What else? Y'all boys enjoy the food, man. Road to 2K. Road to 10K. Road to the C8. Y'all boys stay tuned to the next video because y'all won't want to miss it, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. Once again, I'm gone, man. I love y'all boys.